Let's see how to manage and organize your Pinterest boards using a business account. I will show you how to rename boards, change the cover image, add sections, move pins between boards, reorder everything, merge boards, and all the small details you need for full board control on Pinterest. When you open your Pinterest profile with a business account, you will see two main tabs at the top. One tab is Created and one tab is Saved. Created is where all your original pins appear. These are the pins you made or uploaded. Saved is where all your boards live. This is the place where you manage your collections, organize all your ideas, and update everything related to board settings. Stay in the Save tab. At the top of your board page, you will see a sort option. When you click here, you can choose how you want your boards to be ordered. You can sort them alphabetically, sort them by the most recent activity, or switch to custom order. With a custom order, you can drag each board to a new place. Just click here on a board and move it to the position you want. When you try to reorganize the boards and drag them, if you don't wait for the white space to open, it will try to merge the boards. Just wait a second so it recognizes that you want to change the position and not merge the boards. If you get this notification, just click Cancel and drag it again. If you try to change the position of boards without choosing Customize, it will ask you the first time if you are sure you want to change the position and override the original organization by A to Z or latest activity. How to edit a board. Open the board you want to update. At the top, near the board name, you will see a menu with 3 dots. Click here and choose Edit Board. Now you can change the board name, update the description, and change the cover image. To change the cover, click here on the cover area and choose a pin from this board to use as the new cover. After choosing the image, save your changes by clicking on Done. Some devices also show a header image option once you have at least one pin inside the board. If you see this option, you can update the header as well. Sections let you split the board into smaller topics without needing to create extra boards. All the pins stay in the same board, but each group becomes easier to navigate. To add a section, open your board and click on the Add Section button. Give it a name and save it. After you create the section, you can organize the board. If you just want to move an individual pin to a section, click on the pin. You will see a section option. Click it and choose the section where you want to add this pin. You can also create a new section from here. Just type the name and click Create when the button becomes available. If you want to add multiple pins at once, click on the Organize button, then select the pins you want. After choosing them, hover over the section where you want these pins to appear and click Add. The pins are now in the section. It may take a minute for the images to appear in the section, but they are there. How to reorder pins and sections. To reorder individual pins, just drag the pin to the new spot you want. If your board has sections, you can also drag the entire section to a new place. This gives you full control over how your board looks and how you want people to explore it. The same way you can move the pins inside a board, you can also move them inside a section. You can drag them to change their order, or use the Organize option to select and move multiple pins at once. If you want to combine 2 boards into one, open the board you want to remove. Click here on the menu with 3 dots and choose Merge. Pick the board you want everything moved into and confirm. You can also merge 2 boards by dragging them on the main page. If you drag one board onto another fast enough, it will ask you if you want to merge both and delete the board you moved. You can merge 2 sections inside the same board. Open a section, click the menu, clicking on Edit, then choosing Merge. Pick the section you want to combine it with, and confirm. This keeps everything tidy without losing any pins. Under all of your boards, you can find suggested boards to create. Pinterest gives you suggested boards based on your boards, and it will place your pins inside them. After you click on the board you want to create, you can choose which pins to keep inside and which ones to delete. After you do that, just click Create so it will create this board. To delete a board, go into the board, click Edit, then find the Delete section and click on it. You will see a notification asking if you want to delete the board and all the pins on it. Click to confirm. Now the board is deleted. For the next 7 days, you can still find this board with all the pins on it. If you want to restore a board within 7 days on a business account, you can find the boards you deleted in the Save tab. When you scroll down, at the very bottom, you will see a new section for deleted boards. You see this only if you have deleted a board. From here, you can click Restore to recover the board. If you have deleted more than one board, You can find them in this list. Click on the boards you want to restore and publish them again. Remember, you only have 7 days to do this. After you recover a board, you will see a note in parentheses on the name of the board that it was recovered. To remove the parentheses, click on the board, then click Edit, change the name, and click Done. Now the name is updated. The safest way to delete a board while keeping it longer in case you forgot to save important pins is to archive the board. To do this, click on the board, then click the 3 dots, and find Archive. Confirm. On the main board page, you will have a section for all archived boards. Click on the board you want to unarchive, and at the top, you will have the option to restore it. When you archive a board, you can no longer add new pins to it, and the board is visible only to you. If you later want to delete an archived board permanently, click Edit on the board, then Delete and Confirm. You will then have 7 days before it is gone forever. When you delete a board, all the pins inside that board are removed from your profile. If the board contains pins that belong to you, deleting it will remove your version of the pins everywhere. If the board contains pins you saved from other people, deleting the board only removes your copies. The original pins and other users' saves are not affected. How deleting and moving pins work. Go to the board where the pin is saved. Click on the pin to open it. To edit the pin, click the 3 dots on the pin and select Edit Pin. If the pin is the original, the editing menu will open from the side. On different devices, the menu layout may change. This menu lets you change the link, description, or move the pin to a different board. If the pin is a copy of another board, the editing opens in the middle of the page, and some options, like changing the link or description, are not available. If you want to add the pin to another board without moving it, click Save from the main pin view. Choose the new board and save. This keeps the original pin in place and creates a copy on the new board. If you want to move the original pin to a new board, open the pin in the original board, click the 3 dots, and select Edit Pin. From here, choose a different board. This removes the pin from the original board and moves it to the new board. If you delete a pin, here is what happens. If you delete the pin from the board where it was originally created, it is deleted everywhere, completely removed from your account. If you delete a pin from a shared board, even if it is your original pin, but the board is not the first place you saved it, the pin will remain on the original board. If you delete a board that contains original pins, all the original pins on that board are removed completely from your account, even if copies exist on other boards. This is why it's important to be careful when deleting boards with original content. How to share your Pinterest boards. Sharing your boards is easy and lets other people see your collections, follow them, or even collaborate with you. First, go to your Pinterest profile and click on the board you want to share. At the top of the board, you will see a menu with 3 dots or a share button. Click on Share. You will see different options. You can copy the board link and send it to anyone, share it on social media like Facebook or Twitter, or send it by email. Click on the option you want and follow the instructions. If you want to let other people save pins to your board, you can use the Invite option. Click Invite. Type their email or Pinterest username and send it. They will receive an invitation and can start collaborating on your board once they accept. If you want the board to remain private, you can toggle the Keep Board Secret option in the board settings. Secret boards are not visible to other people and will not appear in searches, but you can still share them privately using the Invite feature. You can decide what exactly the collaborators can change on this board. Click on this option and choose what suits your situation. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.